How many times you have people coming to your open house and you have to give them a piece of paper for them to sign in, put the name and phone number and email address, and next thing you know, you have just a page with all of the information that everybody else can see it, and there's no privacy there. So today I'm going to show you a tutorial that includes two very simple steps that your guests, everybody that comes to your open house, will be able to sign in using their own phone, and also they don't need to write anything. They can just go and check boxes, or if they have to type anything, it will be probably on their own or something very, very short. So let's get started, because today is going to be an awesome tutorial. Just like I said, this tutorial is going to have two very simple steps. So the very first one is going to be creating a form using Google. So you need to have a Google account. If you do not have a Google account, go ahead and create one. It's free. So once you are done, you can come back to the video and finish. The second step is you are going to use a website where you are going to create just with a click of a button, you are going to create a QR code. This website is free and you don't need to worry about it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step, so let's get started. Okay, so in my opinion, here's the best way to get started. You can also go to docs.google.com/forms and you'll probably go straight there. But from here, what I usually do, since I'm logged in already in my Gmail account, I go to the top right corner of my screen. I have these little dots in here. I click in there and I have all of the apps within Google. And I scroll down and I look for forms. I click on forms and you will see this. So you can see this one already created because this is my own form, which I will show you as an example in a moment. But if you have not created any, you will have this area here blank. So for you to get started, you have already some templates in here, but if you want to see more, you click on this button that says Template Gallery. You will see a lot of options that you can choose from. So I'm going to click on blank. So I'm going to start with this icon, Customize Theme. So I click in there. You are able to add an image like the other one had, a little like a banner. Click on Choose Image. And you can either pick from here or pick from all of these options in here. Or you can simply click on Upload and click in Browse to get a photo from your own computer. But let's do themes, and I will do this one. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick that one and I'm going to choose a color. You can choose the colors from here, or you can click on Add Custom Color, and I'm going to do a blue one, this, and add. There we go. So fonts you can also choose. I would leave as basic to not make it too complicated. You can close that. So let's start with the big title. We can do sign in form 123 Main Street. You can also add a second, like a subtitle. Please provide feedback, or please fill in the blanks, or please fill out the form. So it's going to be whatever you like. So first question, it is already here. So let's start with name. And I want to Once you click on this drop-down menu, you have a bunch of options. I want to keep as a short answer, and I want to make this required. Okay, so the person will write something in here, or in this case, will type something in there. So on the right, you have this bar with the different options. The first option is add question, import questions, add title description, add an image, add a video, or add a section. So in this case, we are adding a question. You click on add question. We are going to add here email address. Some realtors may ask for home address. I wouldn't, because I would not feel comfortable. Most likely a lot of people would not type that anyways, but it's really up to you, whatever you would like or you are used to it. So you do the business, you know best. So here, email address, I will keep as short answer as well, and I'm going to make this as required. So I want to add a different question, and I want to say, are you working with a realtor? I want to do this as multiple choice, which is Google is already giving me some options. So I'm going to click on add all. I am going to update this one. Yes, yes I am, or no, not yet. Again, it's going to be, you are going to type whatever you would like. And you can also give another option as more like a generic, but I can't think of something right now, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to make this as required. I'm going to add another question. Here you can ask for feedback. You have a couple of options. In this case, you can just type please provide feedback, or please, or what do you think about the home, or what do you think about the home and the price, something like that. Or you can just go specific, kind of like what was the best room in the house, and then you will do multiple choice, which or check boxes, which could be, you know, bedroom, or could be living room. You know, if this is important for your business, go ahead and do that. If not, then just go with paragraph. This way people have more room to type whatever they would like. You can also say, please provide feedback in a couple of sentences. This way people, this way people don't feel obligated to type a lot of stuff. So I would make this required, but it's really up to you. Another option could be, I'm going to add another question. Another option could be, which is very helpful as well, if the person is not working with a realtor, you can say something like, if you are not working with a realtor, would you like me to send you a list of homes in the area, something like that, or homes within this price range, something that really gets the person to type something. But you're going to add the questions that make more sense to you and to your business. So once you're happy with what you see, what you're going to do is you are going to click on send, and you can use this icon in here. And once you click in there, it gives you a link. You can copy that just by selecting and then clicking in copy. Here's what it's going to look like. Here's what the guest will see. Keep in mind that what you will see in this section here is showing your email address right now, but it will not show to your guests because this is just because you are signed in your account. You will see there's an I with a cross with a line on top, so it's not, and it actually says not shared, so your guests will not see that. We'll see though the rest of the questions, and then once they are done, they will click in submit. Once they click in submit, let's go back to your form. Once they click in submit, you will see their answers in here. Click on responses. You will have their answers here, and I'm going to fill out one just to give you an idea. I'm going to type Joanna Smith, email address, not today. And so I'm going to click and submit. So I'm the guest. I'm going to click and submit. Okay, and this is what they will see. Once they click and submit, here's what you will see. See, we are already under responses. You will see what I typed. Joanna Smith, email address, that's what I typed. And you will have some numbers. Once you will start having more responses, you will have these circles with different colors. So now I'm going to show you the second step, which is create a QR code, and then at the end of the video or before the end of the video, I'm going to show you what you can do with a QR code using the website Canva. And also I'm going to show you what the form looks like on the phone. The second step is you go to Google search and you type QR-code-generator. You will have a bunch of different options, but you are going to click on the one that has this little check mark in here, which will send you straight to what I want to show you. So click on the link, and here you are going to paste the link that you are going to grab from the Google Forms. So let's go back to the Google Forms. So this is your Google form. When you are under the questions, you're going to click on send. I prefer to use this link. Select the link, click on copy. You are going back to the QR code generator. You are going to click on URL. See, there's a lot of different options in here. You click on URL and you're going to paste the link in here. And it's going to generate a QR code. Let's say that I want this one. And once I pick the option that I want, you are going to click in download, which in this case, it will look like this. So this is a PNG, which is pretty much like a photo, let's say, and we are going to use this in Canva. So here we are in Canva, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this option because I want to print. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my QR code and I'm going to paste on the page. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to add a title. So from here, if you like everything that you have put together. You click on the drop down. By default, have PDF print. Once it's selected, you click on download, you download onto your computer, and you print. Whew, that was a little intense, but like I said, once you have the form created, once you have the QR code created and the template in Canva created, which ended up being the third step, but what I wanted to show you was really the form and the QR code. You are not obligated to use Canva. That was just a bonus for this video because you can simply just have the QR code on your phone and ask the person to scan the QR code. So that's why I said two-step video, but the Canva option, the Canva template will be a bonus. So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you what it looks like on my phone. So using the very first form that I created. So here is the form that I created, and as you can see over here, does not show the email like you are able to see on the computer. At least I saw it. I don't know if most likely you will saw on your computer, but if you see it, I'm going to show you now that your guest in this case will not see the email address. So as you can see, like for example, on this one, this has the option. I'm going to say yes. See, it's selected. So people can do that. People can do that on their phone, and once they are done, they can simply click on submit. You will see that on your computer, and you are able to follow up with people very easily, very quickly. And so once you have a free moment, a little bit over the weekend, click the create the form, then go to create the QR code. And guys, make your life easier because this technology amazes me every day. So I really hope you enjoyed. If you would like to receive more content like this, make sure that you subscribe. Never forget that, and also hit the bell to receive a notification for every time that I post a brand new video, that I post one every week. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.